Assalamu'alaikum, warahmatullahi, wabarakatuh, brothers and sisters. Myself, Zaida Sachidina, welcome you all to our channel Nemat Islam, where we will discuss a very important topic which is much needed in today's time, all from the Quran and Hadith. So, are you ready to save your marriage or to make it even more blissful and at the same time be a Jannati? Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Point number 6: guarding one's chastity. Wife can protect her chastity and dignity as well as that of her husband's, both in his presence and absence. Being unfaithful is not acceptable and it will also destroy the marriage. Earlier in point 1, we saw Hadith Sahih Ibn Hibban 4252, where a woman will enter paradise from any gate she wishes if she guards her chastity. Marriage is about trust and loyalty. Fulfilling trust is a part of faith. According to Hadith Musnad Ahmad 111975, Anas ibn Malik anhu reported, the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "There is no faith for one who cannot be trusted. There is no religion for one who cannot keep a promise." Adultery committed by a wife is considered a grave sin in Islam, even more than the adultery committed by a non-married woman. So you see in this point that it is very, very important in marriage to be true, honest and loyal with your partner and guard one's chastity, or else your marriage will be destroyed. May Allah Almighty help us and protect us from adultery. I will now end here with a beautiful hadith, Sahih al-Bukhari number 16. Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Who loves a person and he loves him only for Allah Almighty's sake will have the sweetness, the delight of faith." Ameen, summa ameen, jazakallah khair.